For our last day in Nicaragua, we got up, ate breakfast, and then went to the beach. There, we ate lunch and had several hours to spend at the beach. Then, later that night, we had a farewell dinner. Hey guys, today is our last day. We're going to be going to the airport, and then we're going to be going back to Houston and then back to Austin. Well, not all of us, but most of us anyway. Last night we stayed up really late and just like talked and stuff. I went to bed at, I want to say like 2, and it is currently 7:30. I woke up at 7 and stuff and got my stuff ready. So that's what we're doing, is we're gonna get on our flight and we're going to go home. And you know, I had fun on this trip. I'm really glad I went on it. I met a lot of like fun people, and yeah, I'm really glad I came on this trip. So I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, so I got off my flight, went through customs and everything. Now I had to rent a car. I got a Mazda 3. It's pretty nice. They completely overcharged me on this car, but I need a car. Need to get back to Austin, and so yeah, we'll see how that goes. And I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, I made it to the other rent-a-car place that I had to drop off the car at. I'm at Austin Bergstrom International Airport, and I'm just waiting for my mom and sister to pick me up. So that's the end of my spring break. How was y'all's spring break? Please leave a comment, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
I just need some space away from you. I need a vacation.